Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing a look with you using the SheGlam Live to Roam collection. This is a classic glam look for the upcoming holidays, and it's using a few products from the Live to Roam collection. So let's get started. I have primed my eyes with the SheGlam Eyeshadow Primer, the gel one, and I'm using the Be Pure Infused powder under the eye to catch any fallout that we might have. And I'm taking the SheGlam Live to Roam eyeshadow palette. This palette is so cute. Look at the packaging. It has this really cute clip hardware on there, and it trifolds out. First up, I'm taking Desert Dweller. Just a really nice nude shade, and it's couple shades darker than my skin tone. I'm going to hold my brush in the middle like I'm showing you so I can have total control, and I'm really going to work that shade into the crease. I'm just going to place it kind of messily, but I'm going to layer it up as well. Once I have my crease done, I'm going to wipe off my brush on my towel, and then I'm going to be picking up the shade, or I wanted to show like how powdery the shadows were, but I'm picking up the shade Canyon Trail, and I'm going to use the same brush. I'm picking that shade up on this side of this blending brush, and same technique. I'm going to be holding the brush in the middle for total control, and I'm going to be placing the shade in the outer corner, and I'm going to press it against my orbital bone, and the shade in the crease will be slightly peeking out of that for blending and transition crease purposes. The next shade I'm taking is Shining Horizon. It's the only shimmer in this palette, but it is so pretty and beautiful. It is stunning. It's absolutely stunning. This is applying it not wet. It's so pretty, even not foiled, and it's a perfect lid shade. This palette definitely reminds me of shades from my Urban Decay Naked palette, and it's exactly what I was looking for in terms of that. So if you love the Naked palette, maybe are getting ready to have to, you know, toss your Naked palette or something like that, I would definitely recommend picking this one up. It's like $6 from Shein, and it's fantastic. So Sandcastle is just a nice vanilla shade or bone shade, and I'm going to use that as a highlight, so I'm applying that under the brow and blending it down into the other shades. On the lower lash line, I'm just taking the first shade I used in the crease, and I'm just going to buff that on my lower lash line. And I love how simple and quick this look is. There's really no fallout despite the fact of the shades being powdery. I'm going to make sure I use the shimmery shade in my inner corner as well and bring more light in there. So from WetnWild, I'm using the Breakup eyeliner to tightline with, and in my lower waterline I'm using the SheGlam Live to Roam Get Going gel eyeliner and Map Out. Super cute packaging on this stuff. This is a true nude gel eyeliner, and once the eyeliners from SheGlam set, they are in your eyes or on your eyes all day long. This is a Benefit Roller Lash Mascara. I wanted a more natural look today, so no lashes, just simple. And for lips, this is the Live to Roam Epic Adventure Liquid Lipstick, and the shade I got is Abroad, All Abroad I think, and it's so pretty. The packaging is fantastic. This is a beautiful matte lip, and it's very comfortable on the lips. It lasts all day, and it's stunning. This whole collection, if you like everyday kind of look, glam look, definitely for you. Definitely check it out. I hope you guys enjoyed the makeup tutorial, found it helpful, and will try to look out for yourselves. Stay tuned for more makeup looks like these. Don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional links and a product list in the description box below. I thank you guys so very much for watching.